Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to update the blog post URL to match the title in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to update a blog post URL to match the title. Just click on this edit website button. Now I'm inside the website builder, and to edit the blog post URL, just click on blog, this blog icon with little pen. This window slides in. You will see all the available blog posts on your website. Click on the one you want to work on. This is mine. As you see, how can I increase AI-driven traffic to my website? If I check my website and go to the blog section and also click on the same blog post, you will see that the blog post URL does not match the title. Now, to update this blog post URL to match this title, it's simple. Just go back to the blog post, go to post settings. This window pops up. Here, this is the blog post URL. Just copy the blog post title like that. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Just copy the blog post title like that and paste it here. Delete the old one and paste the blog post title here. Click on save. Then don't forget to update your website from this corner. Now let's view my website live. Go to blog, click on the same blog post, and as you see now the blog post URL match the title. This is the old one and this is the updated one. And this is how to update the blog post URL to match the title in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.